Hi, Facebook friends. It's Chisa Williams, Marketing and Communications Coordinator for the Jacksonville North Pulaski School District. Well, it's not every day that a 7-year-old gets to fly a drone, but that's what students at Bayou Meto Elementary School are doing today. It's part of the STEM curriculum here at the school district. Take a look.
The drone is so cool.
Let's do this.
Yeah, this week we're introducing the drones. We're talking about what they are, how they can be used in our society, how to use them safely, and then I've given the kids a challenge where our scholars are trying to fly the drones through an Easter egg course, and we're having a lot of fun with it.
What I loved about flying the drone is that we got whenever we got to go through the Easter eggs, and whenever we went through the Easter eggs, it was really fun.
Ay, caramba!